channel, and today's plan is all about short trip. वो कहाँ हम लोग जा रहे हैं that I will let you know in the later. And this is my Impulse. This is how my bike is looking, and I am taking my Impulse today. All the setup has been done, the top box, and I have taken a backpack and just a one day ride. And कौन कौन जा रहा है इस ट्रिप पे? Yes, that is the question. So plan ये है कि me, Harshit and Pallab and Saptarshi, and not the Impulse one. I have another Saptarshi friend who rides a Duke 200. So वो आ रहा है Shitir Morbe. I am near Khanna right now. So he will come, and then Pallab and Harshit will meet me in Dakshineshwar. So after that we will start our journey. So I will let you know where we are going. जाते जाते बात करते हैं. So let's go to Shitir More first, because Saptarshi already been waiting from last 10 minutes, so I'm a bit late. So see you guys on the road. Let's go. So once I meet Saptarshi, I'll get back to you guys, so stay tuned. Oh bhai, মানজি দিয়ে বেঁধে নে ওটাকে, পেছনে মানজি দিয়ে বেঁধে নে ব্যাকপ্যাক। চ দক্ষিণেশ্বর, দক্ষিণেশ্বর। So he has done a solo ride to Ladakh from Mumbai. So ये जर्नलिस्ट है और he used to work in media company and news channel. So he has done a solo ride. Saptarshi has done a solo ride from Mumbai to Ladakh in his Duke 200, that bike. Wonderful machine, man. Another two members are waiting in Dakshineshwar. Harshit and Pallab is waiting in Dakshineshwar. So our next meetup point is in Dakshineshwar. Left, 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 left. So I'll get back to you guys after we meet Harshit and Pallab. ওরা চলে আসছে, দাঁড়া। চাফা খাবি তো? এখন না, ওরা খাবে। One eternity later. So we are starting from Bhubaneswar, and Harshit and Pallav just arrived, and Harshit and Pallav is in his Dominar. And Harshit, थोड़ा बहुत हाई फाई कर दो. क्या कर रहा है? कहाँ जा रहे हो? ये दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं ताजपुर फॉर वन डे राइड. वी आर गोइंग टू ताजपुर, जस्ट वन नाइट स्टे. So right now we just crossed Dhulagarh Toll Plaza. And on our way to Kolaghat. And weather is good. Sunny day. थोड़ा बहुत धूप है and गर्म तो हो रहा है लेकिन it's okay. Ride is going good. So guys, we just reached Kolaghat and we are having our breakfast, and this is the hotel, Hotel Madurga, and this is our bikes. So ride is going great, so far so good, and hope we will reach Tajpur in another 2 or 3 hours. So from here 170 kilometer, not 170, it's showing 130 kilometers from here. So this is the Dominar of Pallav, and just having a great ride after a long time. We are all here, so let's see, hope for the best. So see you on the road guys. अभी एकदम the weather is so hot and we are just sweating like hell inside our gears. बाप रे बाप, बहुत गर्मी हो रहा है. अभी प्लान है हम लोग काथी में जाऊंगा. We will reach Kathi and just have a tea or something, cold drinks like that, because I haven't eat anything from the morning. Just cold drinks के ऊपर ही चल रहा है. So once we reach Kathi, after reaching Kathi, we will let you know. भाई गर्मी तो बहुत है आज, बाप रे बाप, इतना गर्मी. ये थैंक गॉड में मेरा हाइड्रेशन बैग में लाके राइड पे निकला हूँ, नहीं तो हालत खराब हो जाता पानी पीते पीते. सो हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड वेदर. Off-roading, man. ओह, दीघा के रास्ते में ऑफ-रोडिंग भी हो रहा है. बाप रे बाप. तो ठीक है, अपना बाइक सेट है, आराम से जाता है ऑफ-रोडिंग. ऑफ-रोड के लिए ही बना है इम्पल्स. Off-roading all the way. So just now we reached Kathi, and from here Tajpur is around 30 किलोमीटर्स. और दो पल्लव एंड सप्तर्षि पीछे है, मैं एंड हर्षित आगे चला यहाँ. सो रोड इज़ टोटली वेरी बैड रोड फुल ऑफ पॉटहोल्स, फुल ऑफ, ये बहुत फालतू रोड है. टिल काथी बहुत फालतू रोड है. सो लेट्स सी, वी आर टायर्ड नाउ. थोड़ा बहुत कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स अभी यहाँ पे पी लूँगा. इसके बाद we will just go our last 30 kilometers. Okay, thank you.